How to mount a Litemove AEW-230. Take the Litemove handlebar bracket for left and right mounting and note the interlocking. Add the washer and the bolt and mount to the Litemove AEW-230 MTB headlight. Fix after checking the correct position. Mount to the handlebar. Now, install the high-low beam switch. First, check the L-ring location. Then, connect the switch to the L-ring and fix it. Route the cable using the Litemove CG cable guides. Remove the left crank and the motor cover. Prepare the Bosch front light cable. Remove the sealing caps from the front and rear light ports. Check the different plugs for front and rear. Slide in and make sure it is fixed. Route cables as needed. Slide a 4:1 8mm heat shrink tube over the cable. And cut the isolated wires around 11mm on both sides. For easy and quick connection, use the Litemove CT22 connector and fix with pliers. Slide the heat shrink tube over the cable and shrink. Close the motor cover and mount the crank.